Hey guys, Jason Catron here.
I'm Katie Talbot.
And we are
Vocal
Collective.
Cheers.
We should do that different every time.
Every time.
So, hey, I'm excited about this one today.
I know, this is personal for you.
Yeah, it is personal. I've never done a reaction with any of my clients and their videos. And I don't know why, I just never have. And I thought not long ago that, you know, the Why Don't We boys, a lot of you out there love Why Don't We. They're so great. I started working with these guys when they first formed as a band. You know, they were all five doing their own thing. Manager and a few other people put the band together, and they kind of went on a search around the world around the country to find these five guys. And so they were doing YouTube and other things, all really talented guys. Played multiple instruments, most of them, great singers. So I was really, really lucky and excited to work with these guys from the beginning. So they're just solid guys, amazing talents, and really great hearts, you know, and that's extra
always,
special.
yeah, that's
you know,
always
that's extra special. So
draws you in more.
Yeah, totally. So I'm excited today to do this video. It's one of their new ones, Slow Down, from their new record. Also, this record was really cool because it's the first time they got to kind of do everything on this record. They wrote all the songs,
cool.
They played on it, they kind of really have come into their own. And so that's exciting too. But here we go, let's try it. Let's listen to something. Slow Down, Why Don't We? Why don't we? Sounds familiar.
Yep.
Smashing.
Taking me back to some Smashing Pumpkins.
Heck yeah. It's gonna be fun. Clearly they're having fun.
Clearly.
Again, I want this car. Nice.
Okay, I don't know which one is he?
That was, that's
Hey.
Corbin.
Corbin, okay. Okay, so this is Corbin?
Corbin.
Okay, love his tone.
So good.
Really good.
Yeah, it's smooth. It's smooth. That's so conversational. It's good.
Very, yeah.
Mm-hmm.
I love this LA party feel too. Makes me miss it.
You miss those other parts.
Okay, ladies. All you younger girls too. I know all of y'all love a good young man with a six-pack. So far, all of these boys seem like they have it.
Why don't we? They got six-packs.
They've got six-packs and good voices.
Super talented. Plays so many instruments. Great vocal. But
Yeah.
he too, his voice is so just
Very
like
clean
and bright, yet it's got like a thing to it, you know? And it never hurts to put Californication in your song, or the word California, or Tennessee. There's a lot of catchy city and state names out there that
this is a
make
good
great
feel
songs.
video.
Yeah. That's a throwback too. Did you catch that? That's a
From
throwback
Nirvana?
to Nirvana's album cover.
Listen,
Ah,
cheers.
we're onto
calling
something.
it. We're
Dang.
calling it.
What?
I know I never drink after I cheers.
That's so good. Zach. Oh, come on, Jonah.
Great hair.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
I love that. That's Jack there.
I love this video because, again, like we've talked about how pop is kind of coming back into some storytelling.
Yeah.
Not just like country. Obviously, country's all about storytelling, but these guys are doing a really great job with making me want to go back to LA, wanting to have those just fun nights of driving down the PCH
Mulholland.
always, and just having
a pool party on the hills.
Yeah, just the freedom and being in
Here's
your
also
young
a side
20s.
note. My first day or first week in LA, I run into Katie. I'm like, Katie, I've moved to town. She's like, oh, I'm moving back to Tennessee tomorrow. I was like, thanks.
And now we bring the two together.
Yes.
Yes.
Back at it.
I never lost the attitude, though, let's be honest.
Slow down.
Okay.
I love that. That is a catchy little...
Real quick, too. All of their voices go so well together.
So well together.
It's not like a complete crazy contrast from one voice to the other. They blend really nicely.
No, and I think it helps, like, being a boy band or a band like that you're together so much for a few years in a row. You just get so close and so tight vocally and performance-wise that it just keeps getting better.
Totally.
You know, this is really good.
Yeah, I love this.
You're going to listen to them now, right?
I am.
Good.
They kind of suck me in.
Such a fun vibe.
Yeah, it's kind of mixed with like early 90s and 70s vibe. Not
Totally.
lying.
No, yeah, you're right.
Well, really 70s up till now.
Yeah, 70s and 80s.
Now, I do think this is a really cool song because of the people that we've mentioned, from being Smashing Pumpkins, Nirvana. You can kind of tell who their influences are.
Mm-hmm.
And I think that's really important as singers. You don't want to sound just alike, but it's really cool to pull in who your idols are and who you really look up to. And I think they're doing a good job in this
Yeah,
song.
totally. I'm really curious. I'm going to have to ask them now, like, how did this song come about? Like, was that part of the conversation? Did you guys talk about what you loved, what you liked?
Well, Skype me in.
Yeah, I'll Skype you in. But no, it's just such a fun, feel-good song. I really, really love this. Mm-hmm. And they sound great.
They sound awesome. Who's that?
That was Jack.
Jack. Go Jack.
Jack's got a killer little voice on it.
Oh, yeah.
You know what? This brings back for me some really fun memories, like when they first started, getting to work with each of them individually.
I bet.
And getting to know them and their voices and help them even discover a few things about their own voices as they were getting together. It's really fun. It's been amazing to watch their journey. And it just keeps getting better.
Escalating.
And
more.
Yeah, I mean, they're worldwide stars at this point. So, you know,
I
awesome
thoroughly
job.
enjoyed this video.
Good, I'm glad.
And their voices, because you talked about them for so long. So I love this. Go check them out.
Why don't we?
Why don't we?
Slow down.
Slow down. Why don't we slow down? 2020 was a hectic year, so why don't we slow down and enjoy?
No, that's a really good point.
Right.
Wait, no, it was really slow. You need to slow down on the line.
No.
Okay. Until next time, I'm Jason Catron.
I'm Katie Talbot.
And we are the Vocal Lab Collective.